Right here, we got ourselves an angry mama. And do you know why she is so angry? It's because over here in the microwave, look at how dirty all of that is. There is stuff all over this microwave, on the plate, on the top. Now, it's not something that I could just simply take a paper towel and wipe because, well, it's kind of stuck on there. And as I cook more things, it cooks more onto the side. So, Angry Mama has a solution. First, we need to remove Angry Mama's hair. Then, we gotta remove Angry Mama's face. There we go. And as you can see on the back here, it says vinegar with some arrows, and it says water with some arrows. So what we have to do is we first add some vinegar, then we add some water. So let's go ahead and do that. You could use plain old white vinegar. There we go. Now, I'm gonna take some water and fill it to the water line. All we have to do is put Angry Mama's face back on. So there's these ridges that you just line up right here, like this. Twist it back on, it locks it in. Now we're gonna take this Angry Mama, put her into our dirty microwave here. So we'll just set her right in the middle. Look, she's so angry. All of this mess. 7 minutes on the cook time, and start it up. And there we go. Let me stop that. Open here. Ooh, it is nice and wet in there. Now, Angry Mama is super hot right now. Go ahead, set her over here. Now there's some liquid remaining. You actually could use that liquid on like a sponge or something. If something's still difficult, it says that that becomes cleaner. But I don't want to test that. I want to test just how good that by itself was. So let's look at like these side walls here. Wipe it down here, and all of this is actually coming off extremely easy. Like this whole side right here. So let's get the roof here. We just wipe that up here. And as you can see, it's actually coming off very easily all over the paper towel. I don't have to scrub it, I just wipe it a few times here, and everything's kind of loose now. I don't have any cleaning product on this paper towel. I'm literally just rubbing up there, and it's all coming off. That's disgusting because that's being cooked in there with